So, a new box in the mail, and this time, the AirPods 3. And I know, I'm very late to this party, but I thought to give them a chance anyway. So we have the AirPods 3 with MagSafe charging, and you can get them for $179 at apple.com, but I don't recommend you to buy them at Apple because most of the time you can get them for a discount at, let's say, amazon.com. So as usual, we have the manual where the MagSafe charging ability is emphasized once again. Reason for that, I think, is because they have also a lightning charging case model, and those are $10 cheaper. We have also a little tutorial here where you can press on the stem to pause or play, double press to skip forward, or triple press to skip back. To activate Siri, you just have to say, "Hey Siri." So the actual AirPods, like I said, with MagSafe charging. In a bit, I'll show you how handy that can be. And here we have the most satisfying sound when it comes to the AirPods. And finally, what's more inside this box is a lightning cable. And to be more precise, the USB-C to lightning cable. As a side note, you know you have the original AirPods whenever that click sounds really as a click. The fake ones don't have that click. So opening them, and the first thing I notice is how thick they are. I'm not sure if these will fit in my ears. I had problems with the AirPods 1 fitting in my ears whenever I'm jogging or working out. It's very hard to keep them in your ears, but that's something I'll demonstrate in a second. For now, let's look at that MagSafe charger that Apple keeps talking about in their commercials. This, by the way, is a Belkin MagSafe charger. And as you see here, they keep sticking if we attach them to the larger charging port. If we put them right on top of the Belkin charger, they charge as well. They basically have the same functionality as the AirPods Pro 2. I've unboxed those a couple of months ago. Go check out that video. But for now, let's go and check these AirPods. So yeah, the MagSafe charger works great. But what about connecting them to your iPhone? Well, as you see here, it takes just about 20 seconds to connect them with your iPhone. That's basically incredible. So right after connecting them to your iPhone, you get this announce call and notification option that you can start. We have the personalized spatial audio, and the configuration of spatial audio works basically the same like setting up Face ID. You need to film your ears, and I'll show you in a second how that goes. And it works basically as follow. With the front camera, you capture your ears, your right and your left ear. And that way your iPhone knows exactly how to set up your AirPods to give you basically the best sounds possible. So right here we see that I need to scan my right ear. We have like a little animation that shows me exactly how to do so. Once I hit that start right ear capture button, I can start capturing my ears basically. So after doing so, and it takes like a couple of seconds to configure that, I have my personalized spatial audio captured. Now the AirPods know exactly how to deliver the best audio experience possible. So as you see here, we get also a special offer from Apple. We get 6 months of free Apple Music, which is kind of cool. But we also have this option that you can configure your AirPods once more. You can just select the stereo audio or the spatial audio, what Apple is bragging about the whole time. But there are a lot more options that you can choose from. Just like this one, I think this one is one of the coolest options. We can set up headphone accommodations to basically like configure those sounds, those deep tones, the balanced tones, the vocal range and the brightness. And you can set up that to slight, moderate or strong. There's another cool feature which is to set up background sounds, and that's basically the sound of the ocean, rain, dark noise, basically those popular YouTube channels that have like millions of subscribers, people that like to put background sounds on the background just to get focused on studying or doing something productive. That's now right into your iPhone just from the settings app. So like I said, the AirPods 3 are a bit thicker when it comes to putting them in my ears. They keep in my ear. I've jumped with them, I've run with them, and they don't fall whatsoever. But the thing is, they're not good in my ear. Once I put them right there, I hear good quality audio, but it can be better just because my ears might not be designed for these AirPods. I think other people will not have the same problems like I do. Mostly I use my AirPods Max. That way I just have to put those headphones on my head and just go for a jog or something. But the AirPods are not designed for me, unfortunately. So they might be designed for you. That's something you need to figure out for yourself. I think they have like great audio. They are good if you want to use them for like calling, like driving and calling and all of that, but they are not made to listen music out of it. Yeah, and that's basically it. I hope you've liked this video. Like always, Thank you so much for watching till the end. Subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot. Give this video a big thumbs up. It took like days to put this whole video together. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.